Welcome to Wally Sap's YouTube channel, working with technologies smoothly. HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. Tutorial 3 out of 50 creating fast HTML web page. Topics in this tutorial. Document type declaration for HTML5, character encoding, HTML page structure and creating fast HTML5. Doc type declaration for HTML5. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. Character encoding. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know which character set to use. American Standard Code for Information Interchange (ASCII) was the first character encoding standard, also called character set. ASCII defined 128 different alphanumeric characters that could be used on the Internet: numbers 0 to 9, English letter A to Z, and some special character like dollar, plus, minus, etc. UTF-8 Unicode Transformation Format covers almost all the characters and symbols in the world. Default character set for HTML5 is UTF. Also here is UTF-16. HTML character attribute. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character sets used in this page, specified in the meta tag. HTML5 sample page. Doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. Element is the root element of an HTML5. Head element contains meta information about the document. Title element specifies a title for the document. Body element contains the visible page content. H1 element defines a large heading. P element defines a paragraph. HTML5 page structure. So now let's start it to create HTML5 page. First of all, I want to save this file in my PC. Save as. Already I have chosen the destination folder path. You can choose anywhere here. So file name HTML5 page. Then save as type hypertext markup language. Okay, but it is mandatory that file extension .html. Okay, then save. Okay, this file save as a HTML5. So now I want to code here that I mentioned in the previous. First of all, doc type all upper case, then lowercase. Then root element is opening and closing. This is head. Head element contains information about the page. Then body. Okay, so this is the default structure of a HTML5 page. I want to run this page. This is page. Okay, click on HTML5. There is showing HTML5 page.html. That means file name. So now I want to change it by using title. This is page title. HTML5 page. Control S, refresh. This is page title. Wall content in body element. So paragraph, P for paragraph. This is paragraph element. This is one having one element is one. Okay, control S. Then refresh the page. This is paragraph element. This is heading one element. Also, you can define the character set by using meta element set UTF hyphen 8. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial.